Hi guys, this is Imba Trader and this is day 6 of the Path to Million series where I'm busy trading options, namely binary options. This is something that I do on the daily basis. I'm a full-time trader and I consider it as a nice opportunity to work from home and to make money online, and I do like sharing my success and my strategies with you guys. So for those who see me for the first time, I started with $1,000 on my account, and during 5 trading sessions I managed to grow this amount to 16,400, and I continue doing so. So my goal for today is $20,000, and let me proceed and change my graph to the candlesticks 60 seconds period. Let's add a couple more indicators that are gonna help me understand what's going on and provide me with the binary options signals. So I'm gonna make $1,000 stakes today. I do see some clear uptrend happening over here, so let's just proceed with it, because like many traders say, trend is our friend. That's why we need to follow it. We do follow our friends, right? So one thing I wanted to talk about today is that recently I've been doing a lot of trade analysis, going over my daily trades and understanding the thought process that went into each one. And quite honestly, the reason why many traders have issues becoming consistently profitable is not so much about finding an effective strategy. Of course, strategy is really important, but it is the battling the mental obstacles that can affect your trading, and I truly believe that it is like 80% of your success. So we got 3 seconds left and $1,940 revenue. Trend is your friend, guys. That's why we need to follow it all the time, just like we do it here. So I'm gonna do it once again. Let's follow the trend. It's really consistent on a long time frame, thus we do have some serious chances to win. Let's add some more indicators which will guide us through the process. And 7 seconds. So as I said, my goal for today is $20,000 and I'm $1,700 away from it. Another profitable trade, and we are observing some reversal, but probably not. Okay, looks like the market is consolidating. Yes, this is the reversal. That's why I do think we might lose this one, but anyway, we are still in the profit, and everything can change during last couple seconds, just like it's happening right now. Yes, ha, 1940, my friends, just like that, and we are in $19,255 range right now. Perfect. I might skip this one. Looks like the market is consolidating. Yeah, probably I'm gonna skip this one and wait a little bit longer. There is no clear binary options signal happening right now. So, as I mentioned earlier, I truly believe that the top trait that separates the successful from unsuccessful trader is the ability to stay patient and wait for only the best setups, only the best trades. So like Warren Buffett said, the stock market is the device for transferring money from impatient to patient, and I do agree with him. In binary options, I'm forced to wait and pay close attention to the charts to execute a trade exactly where I want it to be. That's why I always wait as long as I can. Okay, I tried to make a trade, but it was too late. I was doing it like 1 minute away from 1 second away from the expiration. Okay, perfect. So I'm proceeding with the call stake at this point where the lower Bollinger Band was breached. We still got some time. We got a minute. Of course, things can change during this period, but we hope that they will not. 17 seconds. So with regards to my mental approach, I do really try to plan everything out. Specifically, what level I'm targeting potential call option setups and what level I'm targeting put options to the 10th of a pip. Sometimes I may only be considering one type of option, call or put, if the trend is sharply in one direction or another, and in rare instances I may not be considering any type of trades at all if the market is just, you know, too wild. Okay guys, $1,940, and I actually even made a little bit more than I planned. It's $20,195.80. This is just, I don't know why this I mean, I do know why this happened, but looks like we were lucky to start trading at this point when there was a clear upwards trend, and it just helped us to have this winning strike. So I will see you shortly, probably later this week. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I try to cover as many new strategies and trading techniques as possible. I wish you all good luck. I wish you all good trends and nice earnings. I wish you to be able to join the other traders and proceed with trading options, work from home, make money online. I believe in your success, and let the force be with you. Bye guys.